Nobody beats me on this track.
Whatever it takes.
Oh, that does it. Here I come.
Gotta be careful on the corners or they'll take us out. Lesson 4. Racing is a contact sport.
Oh! Just living the dream. That's right, it's me, Lightning McQueen. Who you calling cool? Oh, good. Watch it!
It's a hard-fought race around turn 5. Look where you're going! Don't like it? Then move! Forget the rules! Win! Don't mess with me!
Remember, kids, I'm a professional.
That's new paint!
You got this all wrong. You're not supposed to let other cars pass you. Come on, guys, you can do it.
It's up to us to drive right and show everyone how it's done. Lesson 17. Learn to work through the pain.
Oh, is this impressive? I hadn't noticed.
Who passed me? Ow! Another car goes down! Ouch! This ain't over by a long shot!
Red is the color of the season. Remember, kids, I'm a professional. Just protecting the rep.
A beautiful venue for some fantastic...
Oh yeah, I'm one step closer to racing Candace. Oh, is this impressive? I hadn't noticed.
There's always casualties in this sport, fans.
Hey man, anything can happen.
You're called lightning?
Remember, kids, I'm a professional. Not bad. I'll give you that one. Remember what we've been taught, right? Come on, the vault. Watch the vault.
I'm afraid there's some twisted metal out there, folks.
That's right, it's me, Lightning McQueen. Don't worry, you'll get back in it. I meant to do that.
Oh, I better pick up the pace. It's been a battle in these corners, and the straightaways have seen their bruises too.
Newsflash, winners usually pass other cars.
Oh, a horrific crash.
Sometimes you gotta gotta follow if you're ever gonna lead.
Ow!
Just living the dream.
Oh!
Getting the judge, not very smart.
Watch out for this. That's not good.
I know, sometimes... Who you calling cool? Me? Oh, good.
Oh! This has been a back and forth race, and it's still anybody's guess who will win. Another car goes down. Ouch!
Aren't you supposed to be a champion or something?
No! Don't let up on him now. He got this. Your time is done, Lightning.
Come on, guys, you can do it.
Don't worry about other cars. Just take care of yourself.
I know, sometimes I create feelings in others that they themselves don't understand.
Keep an eye out for one another. We're in this together. You're all show and no go! Knock him off the track if you can! You're over the hill! Oh!
Okay, color me impressed.
Ka-chow! More like ka-chow! Oh no!
Things get tough, that's when you gotta dig down deep, right?
Where'd you come from?
No need to get upset. Just refocus.
It's okay. Losing doesn't automatically make you a loser.
Oh, a horrific crash! Is one of the most unique venues in the entire Race O Rama series.
Win this one and El Machismo's next.
Hey!
Ka-chow!
Let's get him. Let's rev it up.
Not bad, I'll give you that one. Come on, the ball! Watch the ball! Greatness has its perks. Like being cool without even trying.
Watch where you go! Knock him off the track! Ah! You're called Lightning? not good.
This has gotta be embarrassing for you. Ka-chow!
Oh, I better pick up the pace. Hey!
Come on, I've outrun paparazzi faster than you. Remember, kids, I'm a professional.
A lead change as we roll toward the finish. Where'd you come from? Oh!
Who you calling cool? Me? Oh, good.
This has been a back and forth race, and it's still anybody's guess who'll win. Whatever it takes.
Remember, kids, I'm a professional. Oh, is this impressive? I hadn't noticed.
I'm afraid there's some twisted metal out there, folks. Gotta work together and take lightning down.
I know, sometimes I create feelings in others that they themselves don't understand.
Another car goes down. Ouch! They're battling in the turns and sprinting down the straightaways here at Octavia. What a race! Ah!
No! Whoa, what just happened?
Man, I have the home track advantage.
Should be a great finish here in Motorology City. Don't go anywhere.
One race closer to bringing that stinger guy down.
Want a piece of me?
Greatness has its perks. Like being...
No one's gonna remember that tomorrow, right?
You passed me? Ow! Don't worry about other cars. Just take care of yourself. Don't mess with me. We gotta work together. Hey!
Come on, guys, you can do it!
No! I can't get past!
That's right, it's me, Lightning McQueen.
You don't need to get upset. Just refocus.
That's right, I'm awesome. This has been a back and forth race, and it's still anybody's guess who'll win. This ain't over by a long shot.
And McQueen overtakes another one! I love doing that.
Faster! Can't let him win.
This has gotta be embarrassing for you. Red is the color of the season. We're all behind you. Keep racing!
Hey! Chip was right. You're all show and no go.
Oh, is this impressive? I hadn't noticed.
I can
Take the contact. Ka-chow.
The fans here in Motoropoulos City are getting their money's worth today.
Oh, nice passing ya.
Don't worry about other cars. Just take care of yourself.
Watch it.
That's not good.
I know. Sometimes I create feelings in others that they themselves don't understand. Newsflash! Winners usually pass other cars. I gotta stop goofing around.
Watch where you're going.
This Motoropoulos City track is like no other in all the racing. Hope you're enjoying this epic battle.
Come on, don't you have an image to uphold? Oh!
This is for the girls out there.
Who you calling cool? Me? Oh, good. Brett, okay, say it with me, folks. Ka-chow! Oh! Ow! Hey! Gotta love Ornament Valley. Can't beat the view or my record on this track. I know, sometimes I create feelings in others that they themselves don't understand. Okay, now pay attention. I'm only gonna do this once. Come on, Bolt, watch the bolt. Who you calling cool? Me? Oh, good.
Somebody's done hitched me to a rock again, ain't they?
Has its perks, like being cool without even trying. One lap down!
This ain't over by a long shot. Oh! Hey! You better watch yourself!
Wouldn't it be nice to find some place to hide right about now?
There's nothing like it. Where that goes.
What just happened?
Here comes El Coche!
Ah! Oh!
Doggone it, I got myself all cattywampus again.
This is almost too easy. impressive? I hadn't noticed. Ow! Remember, kid.
Lesson 17. Learn to work through the... Ka-chow? More like ka-chum. Ah!
Sometimes you gotta follow if you're ever gonna lead.
Alda! Where'd you come from?
I know, sometimes entertainment, books, oh yeah, first place. What more could you want?
The off-road venue here in Octopia is not for the faint of heart. We'll...
Sarge, you've trained me well. I am ready to go off-road. Just living the dream. Bolt! Watch the bolt! Ow!
Goodbye.
Watch it!
Lesson 4. Racing is a contact sport. Watch where you're going.
Oh, what just happened? No!
System malfunction.
Oh, is this impressive? I hadn't noticed.
Look, I'm winning the slow contest.
Another lap is history.
This ain't over by a long shot.
Remember, kids, I'm a professional.
Gotta catch him. Chick was right. You're all show and no go. That's not good. Move!
Sorry, just need my space. Ka-chow! Who's gonna remember that tomorrow, right? Trophy's calling, gotta go. And the queen overtakes another one. I love doing that.
The fans here at Octopia have gotten their money's worth and then some in this race.
Okay, just protecting the rep.
Hey! I'm afraid there's some twisted metal out there, folks.
This is where the real fun begins. Just living the dream. Red is the color of the season. Oh, is this impressive? I hadn't noticed. Brace for impact! Who are you calling cool? Good. Not bad. I'll give you that one.
I'm not giving me.
Okay, time to get to it.
I know. Sometimes I create feelings in others that they themselves don't understand. Oh, is this impressive? I hadn't noticed. Newsflash! Winners usually pass other cars. Greatness has its perks, like being cool without even trying. Come on, the vault! Watch the vault! Trophy's calling, gotta go! That's right, it's me, Lightning McQueen! Remember, kids, I'm a professional. Red is the color of the season. Oh, I hope no one saw that. No one's gonna remember that tomorrow, right? Oh, there's more where that came from.
Hey, schmucks.
Watch it! This is where the real fun begins. Greatness has its perks, like being cool without even trying. No, 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 no! Who are you calling cool? Me? Oh, good. Remember, kids, I'm a professional. Ah! I know, sometimes I create feelings in others that they themselves don't understand.
Oh! Hey! You see this just cruising at high speed?
Just living the dream.
Ah!
Okay, color me impressed.
Now who's gonna fix you up when some smart aleck bangs into you?
Wouldn't it be nice to find some place to hide right about now? Oh, trophy's calling, gotta go.
Time to pick it up. Can't say I'll miss ya. That's new paint. This isn't over yet.
See you on the flip side. Ow! Just so you know, I was distracted. Say it with me, folks. Ka-chow!
Daddy will sue you.
I don't care what kind of race it is, as long as it's a race that I win.
Make a hole! Experience!
This has its perks, like being cool without even trying. Red is the color of the season. Remember, kids, I'm a professional. Got this all wrong. Not supposed to let other cars pass you. Woohoo! Oh, is this impressive? I hadn't noticed.
Lesson 17. Learn to work through the pain.
You want to make me work for this? Okay. This is me passing you. Understand? Who are you calling cool? Me? Good. Terrific. That's just great.
Watch where you're going. No!
Sometimes you gotta follow if you're ever gonna lead. This has its perks, like being cool without even trying.
No.
See you on the flip side. Wouldn't it be nice to find some place to hide right about now? Wait, there's a car ahead of me? What's going on? Trophy's calling, gotta go. I know, sometimes I create feelings in others that they themselves don't understand. Remember, kids, I'm a professional. Yep, I'd say we're about done here. Point-to-point races really take it out of you. That's right, it's me, Lightning McQueen. I know, sometimes I create feelings in others that they themselves don't understand. Watch it! Brace for impact! Remember, kids, I'm a professional. Greatness has its perks, like being cool without even trying. Who you calling cool? Me? Good. Oh, is this impressive? I hadn't noticed. Who you calling cool? Me? Oh, good. No one's gonna remember that tomorrow. Red is the color of the season. Greatness has its perks, like being cool without even trying.
Oh yeah! I'm feeling of progress. Oh yeah! My horoscope is totally right.
Aren't you supposed to be a champion or something? Greatness has its perks, like being cool without even trying. What, first place again? No!